Let me go over three aspects. Number one, the product itself. The quality is very high. The video quality is high. The AI voice is very strong. And their AI product developed the best set of questions and follow-up questions. So the product is fantastic and it's easy to use. And it is amazing how the Recruitr team just would swing into action and they would directly communicate with our applicants for us to make sure that our applicants could give their interviews. Where on earth are you going to get that kind of service except from a young, hungry startup like this? Hello, my name is Spad and I am a lawyer with the Government Accountability Project. I think like a lot of nonprofits and small businesses, money is very tight, and the need for our services fortunately grows, and there's no way that we can keep up with having existing staff without an HR department to do the amount of interviewing that is necessary for a job position. I think we've all learned that any job position in today's market is going to get an unmanageable number of responses. And I was therefore very lucky to be able to find Recruitr AI. I found it simply by Googling and then going to YouTube, and I found them as a new company, a startup. I contacted them and they were prompt, and it's been very successful ever since. And that's why I've agreed to do this endorsement. I'm not being paid. I'm not given any kind of credit. I'm doing it just because I believe in this product and I believe in the team that developed the product. Let me go over three aspects. Number one, the product itself. The quality is very high. The video quality is high. The AI voice is very strong. Secondly, the ease of use. It's very easy. It's very intuitive. If you don't have enough time to develop all the questions yourself, it's, as I did the first time I went through it, I spent a lot of time. The second time I was short on time, and I just clicked and said, AI, would you do this for me? And their AI product developed the best set of questions and follow-up questions. So the product is fantastic and it's easy to use. Secondly, I would highlight the service. Anytime you have a product like this, you're going to have questions. Your people that are logging on have very different technological abilities. We found that some interviewees are able to log on with no problem at all, and other ones stumble and fumble. They can't get the settings on their computer right, etc. And it is amazing how the Recruitr team just would swing into action and they would directly communicate with our applicants for us to make sure that our applicants could give their interviews. Where on earth are you going to get that kind of service except from a young, hungry startup like this? The service is prompt and the service is innovative as well. And so as we would ask redundant questions, although they're willing to get on a Zoom call with you almost 24/7, it's amazing how available they are. What they will do is do a short little video clip for you to remind you of what they have already instructed you, and that way you're able to just remind yourself with the video clip because you have the same kind of questions. It's not rocket science. It's a fairly simple process, but you do, like all processes, you have to learn how to do it. And then the third feature that I would like to endorse is this team's willingness to customize and the willingness to innovate with the product. We would call out to them different needs that we had. So, for example, the default product can have security features built into it so that your applicants can't watch it once and then go back on and then just do it all again. We actually wanted it where we wanted to be a lot more lenient with the applicants. They swung right into action to do that for us. Additionally, as we started seeing uses for this, not just for interview, but if you have a video program that is AI driven, that essentially will ask questions of applicants and up to 3 follow-up questions that you want, and the questions are just directly on point, and then video the applicants who have no warning on this. I said, this product can be used to do testing. So we think of Recruitr AI as interviewing and testing because we're getting ready to have our candidates who are finalists watch video clips, and after they watch the video clips, we want them to take a small test to show that they understand what it is we are talking about. So I give my wholehearted endorsement to these folks, and I guarantee that you'll be very impressed with the product, with the service, and with their willingness to innovate. Thank you.